Hello everyone, I am your math tutor Justin Arcaos-Lignani. So come, listen, and learn with me.
So now let's solve the Fibonacci sequence. So first, what is the Fibonacci sequence? So it is a famous sequence where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So again, each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So means that we need the two preceding numbers to get the next number. So just take a look into the example. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55. So how do we get the next number just like this 2? So just simply add 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 13 is 21. So now we will find the next number on the 55. So how to get the next number on the 55? So we just simply add the 34 and the 35. Again, we just simply add the 34 and the 35. So the next number of the 55 is 89.